3 ways to make money online. Everyone wants to do something they enjoy doing, and make some money while doing it. No one wants to spend their time regretting or wishing that they did something else. This is where the thought of a side business usually comes to mind. While lack of money is often an excuse not to start a business, lack of ideas is definitely worse. Lucky enough, you don't need a lot of money to start a number of home businesses, and in some cases, all you need is the right skills, information and an internet connection. Whether you're looking to quit your current job, or simply looking for a side hustle to supplement your income, starting a home business is definitely a good way of achieving that goal. In this video we'll be sharing with you 3 home-based business ideas you can consider. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, check the first link in the description below if you're looking to make a full-time passive income from home. Let's get into the content. Number 1. Social Media Manager. Almost everyone spends a reasonable amount of time going through their different social media feeds, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and the likes. So, why not get paid by companies to help them grow and manage their social media accounts? A good number of companies, including startups, have a heavy online presence, and are constantly in dire need of people to consistently help in building and marketing their brands online. Social media is a good business with unlimited potential, with a client base that spans across the world. Over time, as you grow in your ability to leverage these social media channels, you can include more services like running Facebook ad campaigns, or host online competitions for these brands. To start this business, you can start by growing your own social following and build a brand for yourself. Soon you'll be noticed by brands who need your services, and from there you've got a business. Number 2. Freelance Writing. A freelancer is a person with a set of skills working for all, and attached to none. From content writing for blogs, to company sponsorship letters, grants and business plan writing, companies require the services of writers to do good justice to these jobs, so if writing is something you enjoy doing, why not leverage it? You can find a good number of websites that can offer you a platform to exhibit your skill and make money while at it. Number 3. Blogging or vlogging. Do you consider yourself an expert in certain fields like fashion, cooking, traveling and other fields of interest? You should consider showing the world via a blog or a vlog, which is video content. While it may take a while to build your audience, and eventually monetize your blog, vlogging and vlogging is a good way to share your viewpoints to the world. Work from home and create an income potential that is limitless. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. I'll see you on the next one.